Okay, so I'm going to purchase a drop-in on a kiosk. This is running iOS 9. Drop-in. It is a little slow tonight. We'll just keep this guy's defaults here. Okay, so I have everything filled out here, as far as I can tell. All the mandatory fields filled out. It's not much. Credit card should be filled out. Complete purchase. There was an issue with your submitted information. Please review the form to fix any highlighted issues. However, there are no highlighted issues up here. So I am not sure what the problem is, why that can't be completed. Submit again. Same error.